Guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is Reject SEO, a beginner's guide. Will go Google keeps us our teeth with all these ingrown updates. The keep rule out one thing is strictly constant input looking optimization their website for each keyword research will the needed to keywords research is state somehow to critical do it. Here's what its keywords research. Keyword research is progress of filtering and analyze research items that people interest in search engine with goal of using data for especially purpose after for search engine optimization SEO or general marketing keywords research can uncover question target the population that is ranking difficult and more. What is keyword research improvement? Keyword research provides value engaged into question that's your target audience and search Google these nice that get into these articles search time help information content strategy however keywords these make be not in improvement the SEO is making more and more bizarre how to SEO is improved of just last 10 years and human improvement keywords themselves have becomes our activity rank well for such popular make every day and some extent that's first using keywords that increase match for personal search is not the most improvement ranking factor the eyes of an SEO professional rather information in belonging that's keywords and whether or not a price for content solo solve for that's interest will that about interest just minutes but there too does keywords research is an outside process let experiment keywords research tells what topic people can about estimate your use the right SEO tools keyword popular these topic accurate are again few audience that's optimization is topic by reaching keywords that are getting a high value of searching per month you can edify to short your content into topic what you create content on this you can your look fair target fair industry look is how to can your SEO keyword research check out on case study and excuse interview reviews by region keywords population search value general interest you can take question that's most popular you did when to answer how to recharge keywords for your SEO strategy. I am going to lay out keywords research progress you can following the help to come up with list of terms your should be targeting that's where you be available estimate and excuse strong keywords strategy that helps you get found for the search terms you can excess care about step 1. Make a list of improvement relating topic basic on with what you know about your business to kids of this progress. Things about topic what your rank terms standard business you can come up with about 5 to 10 topic packets you are think are improvement to your business and they you are use these topic pockets to help come up with some especially keywords later the progress if you regular blogger these are come up most sales converse put useful short biggest what type of topic what target audience search what your business found for a very compliment like hope support experiment selling marketing software your match have generate topic about marketing blogging email marketing lead generation SEO social media marketing marketing analytics marketing automation see the number to write it guess improvement topic are your audience how to make defense of topic needed create content to success step to fill out this topic with keyword notes your few topic with for increase to look last topic Rocket for indexed marketing software company marketing marketing automate tools how to use marketing automation software what is marketing automation how to tell need marketing automation software later natural email marketing automatic topic outtool and so on the point that's a step come to your final list keywords purchase you just went to need up with brain bump topic process you can something tools increase more keywords getting increase good every the other smart come up keywords ideas fingers website allergy getting that's neat keyword analyze like analyze support source daily down to intro website traffic source and shift target your organize search traffic bracket to edification verify keyword population. Real topic and recommended how to turbo coming search times always hit hours. The customer step 3 under how to iterate after keyword research and analyze ideas. Like I said, the provide section use interest the most improvement factor. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission updates. Thank you.